The ocean is the cradle of life, rich in resources and treasures, worthy of our joint development and exploration. In 2016, the field of portable civilian underwater robots was still a blank slate. The previous underwater robots were assembled by relying on foreign parts and components. However, we leveraged the drone component supply chain around Shenzhen to reconstruct it. In the early days of our startup, there were only 6 of us. Some were responsible for software and algorithms, others for craftsmanship and assembly. Soon, we completed the development of a prototype underwater robot. An underwater robot is composed of several main parts. It needs a brain, which is the control system to manage the robot's posture and various controls. The power system is our underwater thruster and underwater motor. In addition to these components, it can also carry tools like sonar, laser scanners, and other operational add-ons, such as grabber arm and fishing net. Later, we found that users were conducting activities like fish farming inspections, underwater search and rescue for emergency responses. Based on this, we developed our first industry-grade product, CHASING COO. Its battery is replaceable. It has longer endurance and can perform 360-degree control in any posture, making it easier for users to conduct more complex inspections. Our underwater motor needs to be able to work continuously under the extremely high pressure of the deep sea, facing challenges like saltwater corrosion and the wear and tear from sea sand. Since 2020, we formed a dedicated team of over 10 people for underwater motor research. After dozens of rounds of testing, now it can operate at a depth of 200 meters in sandy environments for up to 1,000 hours. In the entire industry, this places us in a leading position. The ocean is a very important future for Shenzhen. I attended the Oceanology International in the UK, which was mainly dominated by European and American industries. I believe this presents an opportunity for Chinese enterprises. There are still many fields where we can strive and compete. We hope to become a representative enterprise in ocean exploration, collaborating with the surrounding supply chain, driving technological development, and contributing to Shenzhen's goal of becoming a global marine center city.